Hello everyone. I hope all is well. Welcome back in English class. In previous video, we have read the first part of the poem Nobody's Friend. We knew that the girl has so many things like sweets, book and doll, but she couldn't share anything to anyone. That is the reason nobody wanted to make her friend. Do you think it is a good habit? No, this is not a good habit. It is important to follow good habits. Now, let's move to know about the other two stanzas. Let's recite the second stanza first. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. Let's recite it again. He had some toffee and ate every bit. He had a tricycle he wouldn't lend. He never let anyone play with his train. He is nobody's friend. In this stanza, the poet says that there is a boy who had some toffee and he ate every bit of toffee alone. He hadn't shared a bit of toffee with anyone. The boy had a tricycle. Tricycle means a cycle which have three wheels. But the boy, he is not ready to share it with anyone. He wants to ride it alone. The boy never shares his toy train with anyone. That's why he is nobody's friend. Just imagine कि अगर बॉय ने अपनी टॉफी, ट्राईसाइकिल और अपनी ट्रेन अदर चिल्ड्रन के साथ शेयर की होती तो उसके बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स होते। जरा सोचिए कि उस बॉय और गर्ल का बिहेवियर कैसा रहा होगा। मे बी they do not behave properly with others. I hope you understood the second stanza of the poem. आइए देखते हैं कि थर्ड स्टैंजा में क्या होता है। क्या नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा में बॉय और गर्ल अपनी चीजें शेयर करेंगे या उस बॉय या गर्ल की तरह कुछ भी शेयर नहीं करेंगे? नाउ रिसाइट द पोएम फर्स्ट. बट आई विल शेयर ऑल माई स्वीट्स विद यू. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. But I will share all of my sweets with you. My ball and my books and my games I will lend. Here's half my apple and half my cake. I am your friend. In this stanza, the girl is very different from the other two children. Why is she different? She is different because she wants to share her sweets with other children. She is ready to share her ball, her books and games with others. Even she is ready to share the things which is half to herself. Like she has half apple and half cake. But then also she shares her everything with other children. She shares her everything with other children. That's why she is everyone's friend. Students, देखा आपने कि लास्ट स्टैंजा में गर्ल ने अपनी हर चीज दूसरे बच्चों के साथ शेयर की और वो सबकी फ्रेंड बन गई. That girl has good manners of sharing things. अगर हम अपनी चीजें दूसरों के साथ शेयर करते हैं तो हमें हैप्पीनेस मिलती है और हम बहुत से लोगों के फ्रेंड भी बन जाते हैं. Hopefully, you understood the last two stanzas of the poem. Now, let's move to solve some question and answers. The first question is, what are the things that the boy had? Answer is, the boy had toffee, tricycle and toy train. Second question is, did the boy share his things with others? Answer is, no. The boy did not share his things with others. Next question is, what does the child in the last stanza wants to share? want to share? Answer is, the child in the last stanza wants to share her sweets, ball, books, games, half of apple and half of cake with others. Next and the last question is, do you like the child in the last stanza? Why? Answer is, yes, I like the child in the last stanza because she shares her things with others. My dear students, I hope you understood the question and answers and clear your doubts. To enhance your knowledge and improve your understanding, let's move to homework. The first question is, what qualities would you like to have in your friend? Second question is, do you like to share your favorite food or things with others? Third question is, if you had a bat, would you play cricket by yourself? Think and write. I think you liked and understood today's video. In this video, we have studied about relationship and good manners. हर वीडियो में आपको कुछ नया सीखने का चांस मिलता है. That's why I always suggest you to watch videos. This is all for today. Again, we will meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Take care.